now that our Windows 2008 server is a part of the Active Directory domain, we need to add our Windows, or both of our Windows machine to the domain as well. To do this, we're just gonna go over to our Windows machine and add them to the domain. So navigate to where it says computer. And where it says computer name, we're just gonna click change so we could add it to the domain. Then we're gonna click on change. Then we're gonna add the name that we gave our domain, which is weblab.local. Then we're gonna change our computer name to something shorter. So we're gonna type administrator as a user, and for the password, we're gonna put in the password that I asked you guys to remember earlier. So mine is 12345. It's something easy that I can always remember. And then we're gonna click OK. And see here it says, welcome to the weblab.local domain. This machine has been added to the weblab.local domain, so we could click OK. And we're gonna add the next machine to the domain as well. Now we have to restart this machine. We're gonna navigate to computer, then change computer name. Then we're gonna click change domain. We're gonna add weblab.local again. Then we're gonna shorten our computer name. You guys could call your computer whatever it is that you want, or you could leave the name as is, but it's best to shorten it. Then for the user, we're gonna type administrator. Then for the password, we're gonna put in the same password that we had earlier. It's the same password as the Active Directory domain services administrator password. Then we're gonna click OK for it to restart our Windows machine. So if you see there, we have some extensions, like additional extensions on the top of our Windows name. So that means it's successfully a part of the domain. So we're gonna put in our password. Now we're gonna go back to computer. Now if you see where it says domain, then you could see that it's a part of the weblab.local domain. And the full computer name has the weblab.local domain as an extension as well. So it's completely a part of the domain now.